Solution 1 for grain and feed treatment. 50% ethanol solution. Ethanol/deionized water equals 1:1. Solution 2 for edible oil treatment. 70% methanol solution. Methanol/deionized water equals 7:3. Crush the sample thoroughly using a grinder and pass it through a 20-mesh sieve. Weigh 2 grams of ground sample into a 50 ml centrifuge tube. Add 10 ml of 50% ethanol solution and vortex at 2500 rpm for 3 minutes to get the mixed liquid. Centrifuge at room temperature at 4000 rpm for 5 minutes, and collect the supernatant for later use. If using a mini centrifuge, take 500 ml of the mixed liquid from the centrifuge tube and transfer it into a 1.5 ml centrifuge tube. Centrifuge at 4000 rpm for 5 minutes to obtain the supernatant. Alternatively, take 5 ml of the mixed liquid and filter it through filter paper, and collect the filtrate. Transfer 100 ml of the supernatant into a 1.5 ml container, then add 400 ml of AFB1 reconstitution buffer and mix by shaking. The resulting mixture is the sample solution. Weigh 2 grams of the sample into a 50 ml centrifuge tube. Add 10 ml of 70% methanol solution. And then add 8 ml of N-hexane. Mix thoroughly on a vortex mixer at 2500 rpm for 3 minutes, and centrifuge at room temperature at 4000 rpm for 5 minutes. If using a mini centrifuge, take 500 ml of the mixed liquid from the centrifuge tube and transfer it into a 1.5 ml centrifuge tube. Centrifuge at 4000 rpm for 5 minutes to obtain the supernatant. Remove the upper layer of liquid. Transfer 100 ml of the lower layer into a 1.5 ml centrifuge tube. Add 400 ml of reconstitution buffer and mix thoroughly. The resulting solution is the sample solution. Tear the foil pouch, take out of the test card and put on a flat, clean work surface. Pipette 60 ml of sample solution and add it vertically and slowly into the sample hole. Then incubate at room temperature for 10 minutes. Click Sample Test and scan the QR code on the product box. Read the test item, product batch number and other related information. Insert the test card and click Start Test. The test result is automatically displayed on the screen. The test result can also be printed.